Hello, and welcome to another whiteboarding video from Red Hat Consulting. I'm Ryan Bontreger, a senior consultant with Red Hat.
And I'm Griffin College, a consultant in Red Hat's North American Public Sector region.
And today, we're going to be talking to you a little bit about how you can use insights to secure your environments. So Griffin, before we get started too much, let's just start with what is insights?
Yeah, so Insights is Red Hat's prescriptive and predictive analytics tool used for security and performance remediations.
Well, I like that. How do I get access to Red Hat Insights?
Well, as of May 2019, Insights is now bundled with your RHEL subscription.
So I guess I already do have access to it. That's great. How does it work, though? Can you walk me through how Insights works?
Yeah, so Insights begins by bundling your log and configuration files on your host, sending those up to Insights rules engine, where we'll then generate playbooks and send those back to you to be acted upon.
Well, we're talking about security here, and you're immediately going into, let's take my configuration, my log files, and sending them out into the cloud. That, as a security professional, scares me. Why would I do that?
Well, that's a totally valid concern, so I'll address that twofold. Insights reports that it will actually generate are smaller often than SOS reports, and you're happy sending those out, right?
When we have issues, yeah.
Yeah, so you know what data you're sending because Red Hat is open source, and then moreover, you're actually able to obfuscate your IPs and host names and blacklist some of your hosts in your environment.
So that's great. So the little special ones I don't want the information to go out on, I can withhold that. That sounds great, but that's only good for my dev environment where I have access to the internet because we're running on a public cloud. What about in my production environment where I have no access to the internet, to Red Hat's Insights engine?
Well, why don't you tell me a little bit more about your environments?
So we've been making a huge initiative that we finally gotten to the point where we're deploying our servers in dev and prod identically. We're using Ansible playbooks to make sure that our dev environment is always matching our production environment. It's really nice because it finally stops that dev problem. It worked on my machine in dev, but it's not working in prod.
Yeah, well, first off, congratulations. Next off, you can actually run Insights in your dev environment, generate your playbooks, and send those over to your prod environment, where you can change a few host names and you're good to go.
That makes perfect sense. It seems like the security problems that we have in dev would be the same problems we have in prod because the environments are matching. It's a huge benefit for us. So if you'd like to learn more about Insights, Ansible, or any of the other Red Hat products, reach out to your account executive or start the conversation at redhat.com/services. Thank you.